Hello friends, today I am analyzing this chart of Bank Nifty on 15-minute time frame. So it was in downtrend. We'll make a trend line. If we make this trend line, it is not touching here, but if we take this as a trend line, then we get maximum touches 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 touches here. So this is more valid channel for me. We'll make a channel. We'll mark a parallel line here. So this is a mature channel, downtrending channel, and here we fall out of demand channel here and make a low. From here we rush upwards, do not touch the upper trend line of resistance. We come back, we go up again, then here we make a double bottom. Here the trend line of resistance is not yet broken. This is the point where there is close of 15-minute candle above this trend line, and it is suggestive of trend line break. There are two resistance levels here. So after making bottom, went on to make a double triple top kind of level here. This is important level. From here it retraced. Let us check how much was the retracement. So this was 50% retracement of this swing high, and from here this candle broke this resistance decisively. So here we confirm the upward move. This is A, B, C. So we have made high, higher low, and first higher high here. You can say the up move is confirmed here. Then it went on to make higher high, higher low. I'll connect these two lines to make a trend line. Then there is higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Once this high is broken, mark this trend line. Once this high is broken, we mark this trend line. If we mark this trend line, it is going through the price action, and it was broken here, but low did not get broken. So uptrend is still intact, and here we make new high. At the high we have big red candle. So here I would like to make this as my trend line. It is parallel to this trend line, and here we can see there is break of trend line. This can be a change of character and change of trend here. So let us zoom little bit more. You can see that prices were not rallying here, they went sideways as compared to these up moves. This was not strong, and then there is big up move here. This kind of exhaustive move, and then we see bang, a big red candle opening at top, closing at bottom. Then again two red candles with small follow through. So here mark this as support, because this is the valid major low. After that there is no valid major low, and this high is broken and this high is made, so this is the higher low. Then this made higher low again, and there was retracement. This retracement did not cross the high. This is around 60% retracement. Then we mark this as a support line, which comes around this resistance level. So this one is important support because it is corresponding with previous major high, swing high on daily time frame. Then after making this lower high, prices came down rapidly and broke this high decisively with a close below this support. So here the low is broken, but this is major low because it is at previous level of resistance. Here the trend has changed to down. I'll mark zones here. This is our first VRZ, then there was rally, base, drop. This is a valid zone of rally base drop. This can be origin. Then here we have a zone at resistance. Here we see indecision candle at support level which was broken. So this is one more zone. Then at this support level we see one more indecision candle. This is one more zone. Then come here. This is 50% of the rally of previous rally. From here to here, this is 50%. Bulls come back in here and prices start moving up. They react in this momentum zone, come down, then they take out this zone of supply. This is valid momentum continuation zone, demand area. From here prices went up and they are struggling now here. So if prices come here, we can take buy entry, or if prices come here, we can take sell entry for this target.